If you've been wondering how to open Calendly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to get into your account and reach your dashboard in just a few steps. Calendly is a simple scheduling tool, and once you know where to click, logging in takes only a moment. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or whatever browser you normally prefer. Once the browser is open, go to Calendly by typing calendly.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the official Calendly website. When the home page loads, look for the login option. It's usually easy to find near the top of the page. Click login to begin the sign-in process. Calendly will then give you a few login options depending on how your account was created. You can choose to log in with Google, Microsoft, or email. If your Calendly account is connected to Google, select the Google sign-in option. If it's connected to Microsoft, choose Microsoft. And if you signed up using an email address and password, pick the email login method instead. If you choose Google or Microsoft, Calendly will ask you to select the correct account. Just click the account you want to use and follow the prompts on the screen. In most cases, you'll be taken through a fast verification process, and then you'll be signed in automatically. If you choose email, type in the email address that you use for Calendly, then enter your password in the password field. Make sure you type everything correctly, especially if your password has uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters. After that, click Login to continue. Once your details are accepted, Calendly will open your dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your events, availability, scheduling links, and account settings. If you've logged in successfully, you're now fully inside Calendly and ready to start using it. If you ever have trouble opening Calendly, double check that you're on the official website, that your internet connection is working, and that you selected the right login method. Sometimes, the issue is just choosing the wrong Google or Microsoft account, so it's always worth checking that first. And that's it. Now you know how to open Calendly and log into your account the simple way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.